I've discovered 3 simple methods to generate passive income from home using ChatGPT. These approaches can earn you anywhere from $100 to $1,000 every day, and the best part is they require no upfront investment and minimal experience to start. You'll be amazed by the last few methods on this list, as they have the potential to generate 6-figure passive income in just a month. Personally, I've been utilizing many of these strategies for several years now. Let's dive right in. Before we proceed, I'd like to mention that I'm offering my YouTube course and coaching for free. Simply comment below, sharing which point you found most valuable and how you plan to leverage ChatGPT for making money online. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel with notifications on, as I have more great content coming your way. Now, let's get started. The first step is to sign up and gain access to ChatGPT. Visit openai.com to acquire access to this AI chatbot, which uses natural language processing to engage in human-like conversations. ChatGPT can provide you with valuable information that you can either sell or use to generate passive income in your own business. The initial approach is to establish your own online business. If you possess a specific skill, you can leverage ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for monetizing that skill. For instance, if you're a video editor, you can ask ChatGPT for side hustle ideas that require minimal investment but can generate $1,000 per day. It can offer suggestions like freelance video editing, starting a YouTube channel, creating online courses, selling stock footage, covering weddings and events, and providing online video editing services. Moreover, it can guide you on creating online courses, offering instructions and course structures. Even if you don't possess a particular skill, ChatGPT can still assist you in generating business ideas. For instance, if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel in a specific niche, you can ask ChatGPT to develop a business plan for a luxury-focused channel. It can provide you with a channel concept, content strategy, monetization methods, audience engagement techniques, marketing ideas, and suggestions for growth and expansion. The second method involves becoming a freelancer. You can offer services such as blog and website content writing, translation, email composition, script writing for YouTube videos, and short story writing. People are willing to pay for these services, and ChatGPT can assist you in delivering high-quality content quickly. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are excellent places to offer your freelance services. The third approach to generating passive income with ChatGPT is by creating and selling digital products. You can utilize ChatGPT to generate ideas and content for ebooks, online courses, and digital artwork. These products can be sold on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Udemy, and Etsy. The fourth method involves using ChatGPT for content creation. You can seek ideas, prompts, or outlines for articles, videos, podcasts, and social media posts from ChatGPT. This can save you time and help you consistently generate engaging content. The fifth method is to leverage ChatGPT for market research and data analysis. You can use ChatGPT to gather information, analyze trends, and provide insights for business decisions and strategies. It can assist you in understanding market dynamics and identifying potential opportunities. Lastly, the sixth method is to integrate ChatGPT into your customer support or virtual assistant services. ChatGPT can handle basic customer inquiries, provide assistance, and offer personalized recommendations. This can help you scale your business and provide excellent customer service. By implementing these methods, you can create multiple streams of passive income using ChatGPT. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to success. Let me know in the comments which method you plan to pursue and share your progress with the community. Together, we can achieve financial freedom through ChatGPT. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with my latest content. Thank you, and let's embark on this exciting journey together.